I refereed ice hockey for probably about 30 years. I got tangled up with 3 people, which threw me about 6 feet up in the air, landed flat on my back. Hamstrings kept getting numb, legs kept getting numb. Went to a doctor, they said, "Oh, you have a fractured spine. You'll be fine, here's physical therapy." Did physical therapy for about 2 years. It got worse. Shortly after that, I started dropping things, so I thought I had a stroke or a heart attack. Went to the hospital. Heart was fine. So they sent me to have my neck looked at. 2 of the bones were decayed and had to be replaced. And they said it should take care of what's going on in the legs. Never did. Hi, my name is Russel Barling, and I enjoy very much my family time, ice hockey, golf, swimming, and just like having a good time. After the fall, roughly waited about 4 years, visiting, I think it was 6 different neurosurgeons. I left the office kind of bewildered and scared because they wanted to open up my back. And so I just lived on pain pills for many years before I decided to actually do it. And that's when I got the recommendation from my daughter to see Dr. Gigante. When I went into Dr. Gigante, it was just very simple. He goes, "Okay, what do you want me to tell you that the other neurosurgeons haven't?" Without it, I wasn't gonna walk. I couldn't bend over to put on shoes, underwear, couldn't get in the shower, could do nothing. So he said, "Your best chance is having it done. Where you have it done, that's your choice." The trust and confidence factor just in that itself was far greater than what I felt in any other doctor's office. I looked at my wife and I said, "I've got to use him. He's the only one that broke it down enough for me to understand what he wanted to do." It was simple construction, and he was going to reconstruct what was broken. I didn't know what I expected when I woke up from surgery. I had none of the pain in the hamstrings, none of the pain in my toes, the legs were all completely 100% gone. The second I came out of recovery, I looked at my wife and I said, "I'm healed." I couldn't ask for better results than I got. Every part of the journey was support by the office staff, support by Dr. Gigante. When I called them and said, "Hey, this is going on, that's going on," they would answer it with an answer that I could understand. You know, it's your nerves fusing together. Your little bit of tingling you're gonna feel, the nerves are fusing back together. This is starting to happen. Your muscles are doing this. By week 6, I was walking about 2.5 miles, no pain whatsoever, and I got the clearance to return to work. I'm back going to the gym. I actually am contemplating going to get skates because I threw out all my equipment after the after that accident where I didn't want any part of being around the rink again. I'm back to feeling stupid and invincible like I was as a kid. Yeah, I was even told I could go have my physical trainer start teaching me how to bend and swing a golf club. So I'm looking forward to golfing this summer and having a great time with the family on the golf courses, and it's great. It was a life-changing experience. And yeah, that's where we're at now.